been a minute. We had a lot of stuff going on. The old man, I had a medical thing where I lost my voice for about a month. It's just now coming back. It's still a little raggedy, but I'm getting there. I've also injured my back really grievously, so right now I can't bend over. But what week is it, guys?
It is
Spring break.
Spring break from school, and we've been here at the house all week, and we just, between me being hurt and all this other activity, we've been meaning to get out here finally. Oops, sorry, pointing that way. Finally, to dismantle all the external goodies that are on our old Z-car engine. And so we're going to tell you it's 83 degrees out here on the prairie today. And was it March 19?
Yep.
It's pretty spicy for this time of year. I mean, we still probably get snow before it's all over, but right now it's warm, and we're in a shady spot. There's a little breeze, and so these boys are going to get some wrenches out and take all the externals off of this engine so we can finally do something with the old block that we broke, get it out of here. And I think we're going to start with a little sweeping. We have chickens.
You can see that right over there.
Yeah, there's one right there. Attached to the edge of our garage, and so a lot of straw gets in. And so we're going to do a little sweep first, and then we're going to bust into this engine. So you guys ready?
Yep.
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
New hat.
Ah, I see. Look at you. All right, now as you can see here, we have, we took the engine out last winter right before it was getting into gnarly weather. And so I didn't have anywhere else to put it. So it's been sitting on this pallet here in the driveway ever since, with a card table over it and a sleeping bag over the top of that and an old dead battery holding it down. Moses, will you lift the arm, please?
Lift the arm.
There it is. Yeah,
10 hours later.
as I'm talking about. Yeah, it's not. Okie dokie. Gets the job done. It's an old rig, but it works very well.
That's this? Once you adjust the size of it.
Yeah. Yeah, when we first were going to get the engine out, I had the boom like extension all the way in, and like this car has such a long snoot on it. I pushed it up there and I was like, oh no, this isn't long enough. It's like, yes it is, dummy. You just gotta adjust it properly. All right, Moses. Can you get that battery off there?
Yeah.
Set it over the side somewhere. Upright. Don't tip the battery over. It's full of acid. Our good friend, Miss Sid, just picked up a brand new battery last week with, if it's too heavy, have your brother help you. Work together. There you go. Yeah, if stuff's too heavy for you, don't try to lift it yourself, because you might think you're looking extra tough, but then you'll end up with a back like mine. That's no fun. Can you? It might be hung up on the side. There you go. Ta-da! All right, now move the table. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I just have it.
Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Can you break that table down real quick?
One thing we know we're definitely going to salvage is this harmonic balancer, which is, and sort of ties into the belt on the front of it. The car only ran with this new harmonic balancer on there like a couple of times. And so it's still perfectly good. We had it like refurbished and stuff, so we know we're definitely going to salvage that.
You are correct. Clutch assembly here.
Yeah.
This orange bit here. Let's try getting that off there first. Let's get sockets out.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Get all this clutch mess off of here.
That's loosen.
I might want to extend her later on.
Here,
You can crack it up.
let me sit there if you don't mind,
Yeah,
dude. I'm
go ahead.
sorry.
Yeah, you're the one with the hurt
I
back.
know. I want to oversee, but
Wait, is this tight or loosen?
well,
That's on
hold on to it. Hold on to it with the other hand. No,
Yeah,
no, no.
like
I mean, put your hand here. Now turn it. Is it tight or loose?
You see? Okay. Is it clicking when you're turning it which way?
This
So, yes. So when you're turning it this way, which way is that going to turn the nut
tight,
or the bolt?
No.
No.
loose.
If you're
That's
turning
loose.
it to the left, it's going to be loose.
Lefty loosey.
See?
Righty tighty.
Boom.
You'll get it. It's one of those things with practice. You'll get it. I still have to check myself all the time. There it is.
Moving.
Oh yeah. You're turning the engine over.
Yeah.
So strong, Moses.
Oh, is it moving the?
is.
You're turning the whole engine. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it just pushes those out.
Then how am I supposed to?
We're going to need someone to hold that.
Yeah. We might need something to.
Here, let's see if I can.
We need Nash on the other side with the
Super big.
holding the front
So,
nut on.
Let's see
I'm
who's
gonna need
stronger.
let's not do that, actually. Okay. I think it's this one.
Here.
Hard to get off of there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dum. I make it tough. There you got it.
Here. Nash.
What size is that?
That is a
23, 27. Sounds about right.
Nash, here.
Yep, that's the one. Oh, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Moses tried to start taking these.
Okay.
And it just.
Oh,
You're,
hey, oh yeah, keep going, Nash. Let it turn and maybe it'll hold
oh, yeah.
itself.
That's-
Go ahead and keep turning, Mo. There you go. Yeah, see, that's it. That's it. Leverage, man. This is how we learn about physics, guys.
Precisely.
You know?
Very useful tool.
Okay, and here I'll be your hardware boy.
Okay.
Okay. Viewers at home, please don't mind the mess in our yard. It's dreadful, we know, but it's been a long winter, and
That's an upcoming project is to figure out.
yep, those are long, aren't they, Mo? No, not too long.
Another recent
Just
project.
have fine threads. It's okay.
We built this own metal
buddy.
shed right here that we ordered from online.
Yep.
So we built a shed.
Yeah, I built a shed, but I didn't put enough floor in it, so I'm waiting until I can afford 4 more sheets of plywood to put another layer in before we can really. So I have this empty shed out here. But that's what you get for trying to save a couple dollars, you know.
This breaking off.
Yep.
Really tight.
Yep. Well, here, put it to where the handle is pointing down instead of you're pulling up on it. No, turn it the other way so that the handle's on the other side. Push it. Keep going to where you push down on it to break it. Use
gravity.
now and watch your knuckles.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. I'm not kidding
I'm
about that.
gonna push down like this.
Yep. You can bounce it a little bit. You can bounce it a little bit. You can have Moses hold the socket part and put your foot on there.
Yeah.
I have a breaker bar too if you need it somewhere.
I know exactly what.
Now don't kick it really hard. Just put your foot on and press down. There you go.
Oh, I got it.
There it is. That's what I'm talking about.
But if you slow down,
There
you
it
can
is.
See the expression on my face right
There it is. You're
Nash,
getting
can you
it.
address that?
Sure.
You're getting it.
If it was your bowl.
There we are.
If there aren't any more tough ones, I can get the breaker bar.
Yeah. Okay. Now turn it over the other way. There you go. Now you hold it up close
Here,
with your
I'll
right
hold this
hand.
side and see if you can push down on it. Look out for your knuckles.
Yeah, teamwork, man. Mosey, why don't you put your foot on it and press down?
I think this is really
Yeah,
It's
loose,
gonna
but
wall a
it's-
little bit.
Okay, just don't kick it.
Yeah, don't kick it. Just push down, steady. All your weight. There it is. Nope. Did it come loose? Nope.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a second.
That's
I got a breaker bar here.
I was looking for it.
It's in one of these drawers here, I think. Somewhere here where the bigger stuff is. Where's my dang pipe? One.
Found it.
You did? Oh, there it is. No, that's not it. There it is. That's it. That drawer was hidden from where I was standing. I just slip that over the end. That gives you much more leverage.
Yeah. Could you put it? Yeah.
Yeah, now turn it upside down.
Let's put it on.
Yeah, just like that. All right.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, now pull it out on the handle some. And Mosey, you hold it on the nut so that it's straight. And then Nash, do you feel that?
Just like that.
You see that? Like that made you like twice as strong, making that
Wow.
just a few inches
Greasy,
longer. It's
too.
greasy. I've used it a lot in these situations, so usually it's a very greasy situation when I get it up.
And this thing has, what's it called? Like the little lever on the side that controls like the heat and stuff. Choke.
Choke, yeah, that controls how much air gets into the engine when you're starting. Can I have that bolt?
Wow, that's really heavy.
It is heavy. And don't breathe that dust out of there. That's mostly asbestos.
Pizza pie.
Yeah. Okay.
Where do I set this?
Just set it down. Just right there. That side up, just like that. There you go.
Asbestos?
Yeah. That's what's on the surface of the clutch. The clutch pad is mostly made of asbestos because it's tough and it doesn't burn. No matter how hot it gets. Can you imagine how hot that thing gets? This is always spinning at the engine speed, right?
It's probably red.
This is a flywheel. This is actually a mechanical battery. You get a flywheel spinning and it's super heavy and it keeps all that inertia
Do we
going,
need to get
right,
those other
momentum
bolts
going.
off too?
And
Oh, what do you mean other bolts?
Like those 5 or 6.
yeah,
No, these aren't bolts.
let's go ahead and Raheem on the flywheel here.
Oh,
Yeah, and we will take off the flywheel because we have one, but we can see which one is the better of the two.
Yeah.
I just broke that one.
No,
Oh.
you did the one on this side. Just straight down. Just you might want to reposition your where it is at the start so it's, you know what I mean, flatter with it, like parallel to the ground.
Yeah.
You get more leverage that way pushing it out. It's like when your bicycle seat is too short and your knees come up and you don't get as much pressure going down, you know what I mean? There it is, just like that, man.
I got the next one.
Okay, there it is. And just kind of like, don't wobble on it, just press firmly straight down and it'll break.
It's too low.
Oh, yeah, go ahead and pull it up a click or two. There you go. Oh, go ahead, start again. It's super strong.
Stronk. STRONK. Yeah.
There it is. One to
I'll
go.
let you get the last one, though.
Last one, Mom.
Then we can each loosen up too.
There you go.
Boom. That was the easiest out of them.
Okay,
Here, and I'll go ahead.
That
I'll
is-
start to loosen up this one.
pull them out.
Hey, wait a minute.
It's loosening. Hey, it's working.
Oh, I think it just got stuck in a rut.
Well, guess what? It worked. Because that was enough for me to get the bolt loose.
It's like both the sides of the engine are like connected.
Big. So there's,
Well, yes.
this is the front and
It's a
that's the back of the big crankshaft that goes through the whole engine.
As opposed to
All the rods are
camshaft.
connected to that are connected to pistons.
That go to the
Everything is
And
connected.
then, well, the, yeah, the
I can see the transition.
blam.
Kaboom. That's a
Is that on?
Huh?
The camera on?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me rearrange it there. Okay.
Boom.
Boom.
Yeah, I don't need to see me so much as this anyway.
I know. I've been sort of
now
moving the
this.
rut so the action is right in the middle.
All right, let me see how we use this thing.
What's that? That thing looks like a chicken foot. I like to call that thing the chicken foot.
The chicken foot. Let me remember how it goes.
It goes away.
It goes on it.
Oh, that's actually, this stays on,
Oh
but
yeah.
this comes off.
Oh yeah. I remember.
Because
it's gotta have something
this
behind
bolt is actually small enough to go through the hole there, and that's why that's on there. But this is what we push against to pull this off, right? This divot in the middle is for this. That,
it. Okay. Boom.
and then yeah, but we got the
It looks
super.
like some sort of medieval torture device.
I don't know. All right, well, it's got to be close enough, I guess. All right, let's try it some more here.
Hopefully it'll work this time. We've got like a million washers on that one bolt.
Yeah, I know it's like, for some reason they're not even.
Even.
For some reason, they aren't even.
One of them's evil.
Oh, it's turning again.
It is, isn't it? Dang it. I was wrong.
Bet if we just turn it enough, it'll fall back into the same rut. It is bending those washers.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
It's a lot of pressure.
There we go.
I know it's coming though.
Yeah, I can see it. It's moving off.
Yeah.
It's coming. Come on now. Come on, baby. You can do it.
This thing over here is only turning like once every 5 turns. So
All right.
it's getting
Come on,
better.
baby. We're getting there. Look.
Oh! Harmonic balancer's off.
Off.
Oh,
Yeah,
and
like I
F.
say, we had this refurbished, this company in California that did a lovely job. It was like brand new when we got it. And now it's been sitting out here in the garage getting corroded. So before we put this on the new engine, we're gonna steel wool this off of here and probably maybe hit it with just a little coat of some black paint to keep that rust off of there.
Yeah,
All right, but
that's a thumbs up.
it worked. How you like them apples?
Them apples are pretty awesome.
Well, folks, we got the harmonic balancer off.
Yep.
We got the clutch assembly off the back of there.
Yep.
The flywheel, we have all the fasteners loose, but it is, you know, it's press fitted on there pretty tight. I got a buddy who has a puller, and so I'm going to ask him to come over sometime soon and yoink that off. Or maybe I can borrow one from somebody. We'll see. We'll get it figured out. There's still a few more things I want to get off of here. I got these motor mounts, which we have the mounts off the other one, but we get these off of here. Maybe a couple other little random pieces, but we just really wanted to get out here and do anything because it's been so long since we've had the opportunity and everything's lined up just right. So we got at least a little done.
Yeah,
So,
that's part of it.
and hey Nash, lean forward, let me see that cool hat. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Oh, it's a little dusty. Oh, look at that beautiful Ox Garage hat. How you like that? Real embroidery right on the hat. Pretty soon you're going to be able to order these and some other really cool Ox Garage merch, and then a portion of all the proceeds from that will go right into the Stotson back behind us here. So we'll share more on that as it becomes available.
Check out hellfino.com.
That's right, HELFINO. What's that mean? Hellfino. So thanks for checking us out, and thanks for your support. And hopefully it will not be nearly this long before we come out here and get the next bunch of stuff accomplished.
Yep.
So as Moses often says,
Ox Studios.
bum, bum, ba-dum.